Are you tired of constantly cleaning your home? Whether it's dealing with pet hair or dust, a robot vacuum cleaner could be the solution. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 products that are making home cleaning easier and smarter than ever before. From advanced smart features to powerful suction, these robot vacuums will leave your floors spotless without lifting a finger. Let's dive into the best robot vacuums on the market today. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a top-tier smart doorbell that offers cutting-edge features to enhance your home security. It's equipped with HD video and two-way audio, allowing you to see and communicate with visitors from anywhere via your smartphone. This smart device also features a wide-angle view and a sleek design, ensuring it blends seamlessly into any home exterior. It's a must-have for anyone who values both safety and convenience. Key features: the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 boasts a high-definition 1536p video resolution, providing crystal-clear footage of your front door area. It offers a 160-degree field of view, so you can monitor a wide area. The doorbell also features advanced motion detection, alerting you whenever there's movement at your doorstep. It's compatible with Alexa, allowing voice control, and offers night vision for around-the-clock monitoring. The doorbell has a sleek, modern design and comes with a built-in chime. Benefits and usage: this smart doorbell offers significant peace of mind by letting you monitor who's at your door in real time. The two-way audio allows you to communicate with visitors, whether it's a delivery person or someone you know. The motion detection feature helps you keep track of any activity at your doorstep, reducing the chances of theft or missed deliveries. It's perfect for people who want to enhance their home security while maintaining a convenient and modern lifestyle. Usability: the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is easy to install, especially if you're replacing an existing doorbell. The app provides straightforward step-by-step instructions, and setup is seamless. The device works well with both Android and iOS smartphones, providing easy access to live footage and notifications. Additionally, the video quality is excellent, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its night vision capability. Durability: the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is built to last. It's designed with weather resistance in mind, meaning it will hold up in rain, snow, and high temperatures. The high-quality materials ensure long-term durability, and the product is backed by Ring's warranty, offering peace of mind that it's a solid investment in your home security. In the second spot, we have Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat is a game-changer in home temperature control. It's designed to adapt to your lifestyle by learning your preferences over time, optimizing your home's temperature without you having to lift a finger. With sleek design and intuitive functionality, this smart thermostat is the perfect solution for those looking to improve home energy efficiency and comfort. Key features: the Nest Learning Thermostat boasts a user-friendly interface, offering both a touch display and remote control via the Nest app. It's equipped with sensors that detect your presence and adjust the temperature accordingly. The device also learns your schedule, automatically adjusting to your needs. Additionally, it offers energy-saving features by tracking usage and providing insights to reduce your energy bill. Compatible with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, it provides even more control. Benefits and usage: one of the standout benefits of the Nest Learning Thermostat is its ability to learn your heating and cooling preferences over time. This means it adjusts to your routine and maintains an optimal home temperature without any manual adjustments. Additionally, it can save you money on energy bills by reducing unnecessary heating and cooling when you're away or sleeping. Perfect for busy individuals who want to stay comfortable and save on energy costs. Usability: the setup of the Nest Learning Thermostat is straightforward, with a quick installation process that involves connecting it to your home's Wi-Fi network. Once installed, the Nest app lets you control the thermostat remotely from anywhere. Its simple interface ensures that even the most technologically challenged individuals can navigate through settings easily. Durability: the Nest Learning Thermostat is made from high-quality materials that are built to last. The device's outer casing is resistant to wear and tear, and its internal components are designed for long-term performance. The thermostat also receives software updates from Google, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. Coming in at number 3 is the Wyze Cam V3. The Wyze Cam V3 is an affordable yet feature-rich security camera designed for indoor and outdoor use. With high-definition video quality, night vision, and motion detection, the Wyze Cam V3 offers excellent security without the premium price tag. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and budget-friendly way to monitor their home. Key features: the Wyze Cam V3 offers 1080p HD video with a 130-degree field of view, providing clear and wide coverage of your surroundings. It has advanced motion detection that sends alerts to your phone whenever it detects activity. The camera is equipped with color night vision, allowing you to capture clear footage even in low light. Additionally, it has two-way audio, letting you listen and speak to anyone near the camera. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Benefits and usage: the Wyze Cam V3 provides an affordable and effective way to secure your home. Whether you need to monitor your front porch, backyard, or living room, this camera delivers reliable video quality and real-time alerts. The night vision capability ensures that your home is protected even in low-light conditions. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants to keep their home safe without breaking the bank. Usability: the Wyze Cam V3 is simple to set up, requiring just a Wi-Fi connection and the Wyze app to start. The app allows you to access live video footage, view motion clips, and configure settings easily. With its compact design, the camera can be placed discreetly in various locations around your home. Durability: the Wyze Cam V3 is built to withstand the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The camera's weatherproof design ensures that it performs well in rain, snow, or high humidity. This ensures long-lasting durability, providing consistent security for years to come. Taking our fourth spot is August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock offers a simple yet powerful way to secure your home. This smart lock replaces your existing deadbolt and adds remote control, voice command functionality, and automatic locking. It's perfect for people who want a secure and convenient way to manage their door locks without the hassle of traditional keys. Key features: the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock features built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a hub. It can be controlled via the August app, allowing you to lock and unlock your door remotely. It also integrates with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. The lock automatically locks your door after a specified time, and it notifies you when someone enters or exits. You can even grant temporary access to guests, making it convenient for deliveries or visitors. Benefits and usage: one of the key benefits of the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is the convenience it offers. You no longer need to worry about carrying keys or remembering to lock the door. With the August app, you can check the status of your lock anytime, ensuring your home is secure. The ability to grant temporary access is perfect for situations where you need to allow a guest or service worker into your home. Usability: the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is designed for easy installation. It fits over your existing deadbolt, meaning you don't need to replace the entire lock. The August app provides an intuitive interface for managing the lock settings, and the integration with voice assistants makes it even more convenient to control your lock hands-free. Durability: the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is built with high-quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Its sturdy construction ensures it will withstand frequent use, and its internal components are designed to provide consistent, reliable performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Ecobee SmartThermostat. The Ecobee SmartThermostat is a premium home temperature control system designed for efficiency and convenience. It combines intelligent features with a sleek, modern design, offering a great way to manage your home's climate while saving on energy costs. It's compatible with various smart home devices, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your connected lifestyle. Key features: the Ecobee SmartThermostat features a large touchscreen display that provides easy access to settings and controls. It offers voice control with Alexa built in, allowing you to adjust the temperature with just your voice. The thermostat comes with a smart sensor, which helps ensure the temperature is consistent throughout your home. It also tracks your energy usage, providing insights into how you can save more on energy bills. Benefits and usage: the Ecobee SmartThermostat is designed to enhance both comfort and efficiency. It learns your preferences and adjusts to your routine, ensuring your home is always at the perfect temperature. With its energy-saving capabilities, it can help you reduce your heating and cooling costs. The voice control feature adds an extra level of convenience, letting you control the temperature hands-free. Usability. The setup process for the Ecobee SmartThermostat is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The device can be controlled via the Ecobee app, allowing you to make adjustments from anywhere. Its compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant ensures that it works seamlessly within your existing smart home ecosystem. Durability. The Ecobee SmartThermostat is built with durability in mind. Its high-quality construction ensures it will last for years, and it receives regular software updates to stay up to date with the latest features and improvements. The device's sleek design ensures it blends well with your home decor while offering reliable, long-term performance. To wrap things up, these 5 smart home products are sure to make your life more convenient, secure, and efficient. Whether you're looking for enhanced security, smarter energy management, or just more control over your home, each of these devices offers something special. Be sure to explore each one and find the perfect fit for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews, and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more smart home solutions.